Call me crazy, but I'm doing it again. I'm not a crazy psycho bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Yep. I hate the taste of the cinnamon, too. I hate the cinnamon. I usually love cinnamon, but for some reason the cinnamon has a weird taste to it. Yeah, maybe I should bring the water closer? Yeah, the water's clear across the room. I'll put it on the floor. Ah, I spilled it! Alright, here we go. I just puked. Yeah, but you didn't see me puke. And you were right, I got it in my water. Oh, gee. This time wasn't bad as last time. Oh, gee. I'm going downstairs. I tried chewing it, but didn't work. Oh, gee. Oh. As soon as I put it in my... Yeah. Oh, gee. Oh, I got stuff on my shirt. Yes, I'm still recording. Why? It's not as bad as last time, though. This time, I almost succeeded. Kinda, almost. It's not as bad as last time. This time I puked, though.
You guys are weird.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to do it again later, though. I'm determined to get it right. I'm kind of determining how I can clean up the puke. Oh, gee. It still has a bad taste. Import gourmet. Nasty. Now my nose is running really bad. Oh, gee. I just noticed I got it on the bike, too. The puke, I got it on the bike, too. I'll just use one of my brother's shirt. He's not going to use it anymore. Huh? I know. Cleanup is the fun part. Exactly, that's what I mean. My room smells like puke now. Well, it's not my room, it's my brother's room, but he's not here no more, so it's mine. I wonder what he's going to do if I call him up and say, hey, I was dumb enough to take the cinnamon again. He'll be thinking his little sister is weird. Oops! I just pulled up my shirt, smell it, and I pulled it up too far. I think I did that on cam. Yeah, I'm spraying air freshener around. There ain't much in it!